Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cut lettuce for salads. First, choose fresh, crisp lettuce. Remove any wilted or discolored outer leaves. Then, wash the lettuce thoroughly under cool, running water to remove dirt and debris. Finally, dry the lettuce completely using a salad spinner or by gently patting it with paper towels. This ensures your dressing will adhere well and your salad will not be watery. When preparing your lettuce, you have two main options: tearing or cutting. Tearing by hand is often preferred for delicate greens like butter lettuce, as it helps prevent bruising and browning along the edges. For sturdier varieties, a very sharp knife can provide a clean cut without crushing the leaves. The method you choose can impact the texture and appearance of your finished salad. For most leafy greens, stack several leaves on top of each other, then roll them loosely into a cylinder. Using a sharp knife, cut the rolled leaves into strips about 1/2 inch to 1 inch wide. For iceberg or ramen, you might prefer cutting the head into 4 or 6 equal wedges. Always aim for bite-sized pieces, making your salad enjoyable and easy to eat. To keep your cut lettuce fresh, store it in an airtight container lined with a slightly damp paper towel. This helps maintain moisture and crispness. Properly stored, it can last for 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator. Remember to dress your salad just before serving to prevent the leaves from wilting. For the best flavor and texture, serve your lettuce at a cool room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.